Okay, now you can start your presentation.
Okay, I'll just share my screen. So is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible. You can start.
Okay. So good evening. The topic for my today's presentation is cloud computing applications in stock market investing. Um, So first of all, what do you mean by cloud computing? So cloud is nothing but on-demand availability of computer system resources. And these resources can be anything ranging from storage, servers, databases, software networking, anything. And these resources are present over the internet. So the user can easily access these services without even direct active management required by the user. So some of the advantages of cloud are usability and accessibility. So for this, let's take a scenario wherein we want to store some file within cloud, let's say Google Drive, and we have to store some other file in our own laptop that is on premise. So in order to access the file that is stored in our laptop, we need the same hardware device. That is, we have to have our own laptop with us at any point of time if you want to access the file. But if you have to access the file that is stored over the cloud, then we can easily access it because we just require the login credentials and we can access it from any point of time at any place. So it offers more usability and accessibility as compared to the on-premise. Then security, the data stored inside cloud is highly secured because it uses n number of encryption models. Cost efficient. Most of the cloud providing platforms uses pay as you go model. So you pay for only those services that you are going to use. Then convenient sharing of files is also there, automation, and there are many other advantages of cloud over on-premise. So, cloud computing and stock market investment. Nowadays, most of the stock market transactions are automated. People and companies are implementing their applications or the trading strategy using some machine learning models, or most of the things are automated nowadays. And recently, financial service industries are also moving their trading solutions into cloud. And the reason behind this is, of course, the advantages that cloud offers over on-premise. So some of the key components for implementing stock market investing using cloud are first thing is you need a algorithmic trading engine. So using algorithmic trading engine, we can create, test, and operate the historical or the real-time data. Then then second one is market data adapter. So market data adapter is used to provide the algorithmic trading engine with different data types such as historical price data or the real-time market data and many more. Then we need to have exchange broker adapter that is used to manage the interactions with the exchange or the broker, like whether like to get order status or pay or revoke orders and many other tasks. Then we have data store. From the name itself, we can see that it provides a durable and secure data repository, and it is heavily used by the algorithmic trading engine to get data. Then some of the AWS services that are required for cloud-based stock market investment are first one, data exchange. Using data exchange, we get our historical price data. Then second one is Amazon S3. It stands for Simple Storage Service. It is used to store the price data files or analytics files, log files, screenshots that you might require during implementations. Then we have Amazon Athena. Amazon Athena is used to write queries in order to access the files that are stored in Amazon S3. And using Amazon Athena, we can also analyze the data. Then we have AWS Glue. It is nothing but a catalog of historical price data. Then Amazon SageMaker. Amazon SageMaker is used to train the machine learning models for machine learning based trading strategies. Then finally, Amazon QuickSight. Amazon QuickSight is used for visualizing the data in the form of graphical representations. Now, some of the advantages of using AWS for stock market investing are business agility. Second one is leveraging the ability to quickly and easily access the technology. Now, because AWS is highly user friendly, the platforms or the services provided by them is very much user friendly. So, even a person who does not have experience with it can easily use or access its technology and services. Continuous innovation is provided by AWS services. Most of the services get update very frequently, so you remain up to date most of the point, most at most of the point of time. When we AWS services provides pay as you go model, so it helps you to experiment with different services and technology without worrying about the charges. Security, as I've already told that it uses many encryption models, so the data stored over AWS is highly secure. Data and analytics, it provides different analytics tools as well. Like here, I have used Amazon QuickSight to visualize and analyze the data. And there are many other services as well for analyzing. So these are the screenshots of my task. So the step one is to create an S3 bucket, and within that S3 bucket, we have to upload the template file, which is in the form of YAML. So it contains instructions. Once the template file is uploaded into the S3 bucket, we using CloudFormation, we have to create a stack, and then we have to um, populate the template file into the stack. And for that, we have to link the stack with our S3 bucket. Once the stack is created on Amazon SageMaker, you can see that a notebook instance is automatically created. Now, before opening the Jupyter notebook, we first have to um, get our historical price data, and then we have to export the data into the S3 bucket. So for that, we are going to use Amazon Data Exchange. Then once the data is exported into S3 bucket, again, we have to go to the Amazon SageMaker notebook. From the notebook instance, we have to click on Open Jupyter Notebook, and and then after that, we have to run all these cells. And overall, there are 6 cells. Once it is completed, once we have successfully run all the cells, the result is that load his data daily file gets downloaded and it gets populated into the S3 bucket. Uh, then using Amazon Athena, we can write different queries to analyze and to get the data, to get our historical price data from the S3 bucket. Then using QuickSight, we can visualize the data and it provides different options for graphical representation such as bar graph, histogram, pie charts, even heat maps are available. So based on our requirements, we can choose between these options. So overall in this project, we have seen how to import the trading data into Amazon S3, how to analyze and get the data from Amazon S3 using Athena, how to visualize the data using Amazon QuickSight, then how to train the model using Amazon SageMaker notebook instance. So overall, for this project, we have to use different wide varieties of cloud applications for implementing stock market investing. Uh, so these are the references that I have used. And in case of any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you.
Okay, so Palak, uh, I thought there would be a demonstration as well. You have included this now.
Actually, yeah, I have included the screenshots of my task because I have deleted all those services because of heavy charges.
Oh yeah, the Amazon had to put
Yeah.
some charges. Okay, okay. Uh, so for the next time, if you make any task, okay, so try to put the demonstration. It's fine that now that you have put it away. For the next demonstration, try to
Okay,
give
I'll
the
try because
demonstration, then put it away.
Okay, because already I have reached like it was $20, around $20, so I had
Yeah,
to delete all those
yeah,
services.
I understand. I have to pay that amount for the same.
Uh,
Okay. So, okay, that is fine then. Uh, Overall, the task was performed well. Your communication, your flow, and there was a story at the very start. The basics were done correctly from your side. I wanted to know, so you talked about Amazon Athena. Have you have you read more about Athena? So how did you use Athena? It is to analyze something, correct?
yes, like the data, the CSV files that we have stored in our Amazon S3 bucket. So in order to get the file like to analyze the data that is stored inside the CSV file, we use Amazon Athena to write query
Okay.
on the data.
Okay. So
So
what
we
type
can
of queries?
analyze SQL queries, simple
Okay. So
SQL queries.
okay. So they only analyze the database.
Yeah, it is like
Okay.
a normal database, like analyze it. And
You
for
can fetch
visually
anything from
analyzing the, yeah,
for sure. Okay, Palak. That is fine from your side. I think there
yeah,
was nothing much left that you had to do in the presentation.
okay,
Just at the end and in the thank you slide, I think you have included your mail at the very start, correct?
yeah,
At the end, you put in the thank you slide, put your mail and
okay,
any other your yeah, the mail will do. Just put that mail there. You
okay,
won't be deducted marks. I won't deduct marks for that, so don't worry.
okay,
Overall, the presentation was nice. You'll get good marks. Thank you for that.
okay. Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you so much.